Hey guys, if you're looking for more ways to make money online and you haven't explored the possibility of making money on Google, then you are missing a lot. With a bit of effort and some creativity, you are bound to make a lot of money through different Google channels and some other services that they offer. Right in this video, we'll explore 10 possible ways for you to make money on Google, and I'm going to show you how to get started today. So get ready for it. Whether you're a blogger, app developer, or just looking for a kind of side hustle, there's something for everyone. We'll be starting with Google Adsense, a program that allows website owners to earn a lot of money just by placing ads on their site. We'll also cover YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'll also be diving into more Google services such as Opinion Reward, Google Play Developer Console, Google Search Console, and of course, Google Affiliate Network. These services offers unique opportunities to earn money online. I'm going to show you how to take advantage of them. We'll also cover Google Adword, a powerful advertising platform where you can actually advertise your products to millions of users. And for those with technical skill, we'll be exploring the possibility of Google Cloud Platform. I also show you how to develop and sell cloud-based applications and services. So one thing you need to do right now is to ensure that you watch every part of this video. Watch level 1, level 2, and level 3, and level 4 to the level 10, because if you miss any part, that might be the reason why you're not making money online. So ensure you watch anyone without skipping anyone. By the end of this video, I can assure you that you have understand various ways to make money on Google. So what are you waiting for? Sit back, relax, fasten your seatbelt, and get ready to dive in. First, we have Google Adsense, a program that allows website owners to earn money just by placing adverts on their websites. The ads are targeted to the content of the website, and whenever any visitor clicks on any of the adverts, it earns commission to the owner of the website. If you have a blog or a website with consistent traffic, then you are leaving a lot of money on the table. This is a great way for you to start making money. To get started with Google Adsense, all you have to do is to visit adsense.google.com/start. Click Get Started, sign into your Google account, and enter your URL. You can also leave the field blank if you want to add your site later. Choose whether you want Adsense to send you customized help suggestions. Select your payment country or territory, then make sure you accept terms and conditions of Adsense. Lastly, click Start using Adsense, and you are now signed into your new Adsense account. Next up, we have YouTube, a powerful platform with over 2 billion active monthly users. This is going to be one of the best ways for you to make money online. By creating engaging content, you can make a lot of money through advertising revenue, sponsorship, and of course, merchandise sales. Building subscribers on YouTube can take some time and effort, but if you are passionate and consistent about it, then the reward can be significantly interesting. To get started with YouTube, number one thing you need to do right now is to just create a channel. Ensure you properly set it up for optimization and start producing content that resonates with your viewers. Once you manage to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, then you are qualified for monetization. If you have some spare time, then consider downloading Google Opinion Reward app and start getting paid just for your opinions. This is a survey app that pays you just for sharing your opinion. The app sends you short surveys on variety of topics, and for each survey you complete, you earn Google Play credit. These credits can be used to purchase apps, games, movies, and other content from Google Play Store. And guess what? It can also be converted into funds, but that's the topic for another day. The surveys in Google Opinion Reward are typically short and straightforward. And just like you know, it doesn't waste your time. It can be completed in just a few minutes. The app sends you new notification when there is a new survey, and you can also complete them whenever you want, just during your own spare time. If you are a developer, you can leverage the power of Google Play Developer Console to create your own apps and games. This developer console that we're talking about right now provides a suite of tools for you to build and test and even publish your apps and games on Google Play Store. To get started with the developer console, you need to create a developer account and pay a one-time registration fee. Once you are set up, you can start creating your apps using Google development tools. You can also start publishing them on Google Play Store and start making money from it. By optimizing your website for search engine, you can increase your traffic and potentially earn more money through advert revenue and affiliate marketing. What am I even talking about? That is Google Search Console. You know what I'm talking about, right? If you have a website or blog, you can use Google Search Console to optimize your website or blog and start making money. Search Console provides a variety of tools that will help you to understand the way Google crawl your website and index them for search engine engine optimization, and of course, how users find and interact with your website. By using Search Console, you can identify and fix issues that are affecting your website from ranking well on Google search. You can track your site over time and see how your content is being displayed on Google search. Just give it a try. There's no harm in trying after all. Moving on, we have Google Affiliate Network. This is a program that allows you to earn commission by promoting products from participating merchants. As an affiliate, you can choose from a wide range of products to promote on your website, blog, or anywhere you want to promote, and then earn commission on any sale that results from your promotion. To start participating in the Google Affiliate Network, you will need to apply to become an affiliate and be approved by Google and the merchant you want to promote. Once you are set up, you can start promoting products and earning commission. The Google Affiliate Program is one of the best ways for you to earn money on your website or blog, and it is very easy to start, so you can just get started with it right now. And speaking of Google Affiliate Network, this takes us to the next on our list, which is Google Adword. It is a powerful advertising platform that allows you to promote your product or service to millions, if not billions of users. AdWords allows you to create adverts that appear on Google search results or websites that are part of Google Display Network. With AdWords, you can target specific keyword, audience, location, even age range to ensure that your adverts reach the right people at the right time. To get started with AdWords right now, you need to create an account and set up your campaign. This involves selecting the kind of ad you want to run, setting your targeting, setting your budget, and of course, your ad copy is very important. You need to take the time to write a very nice ad copy content. AdWords can be complex, it's not so easy, but if you follow Google guidelines and also follow some instructions, you can also enroll for some courses online. With that, you'll be able to run effective adverts and make a lot of money out of it. If you have technical skills, you can develop and sell cloud-based applications and services on Google Cloud Platform. In case you don't know, Google Cloud is a suite of cloud computing services that allows you to build or host your applications on Google's infrastructures. With Google Cloud, you can access powerful computing resources, storage, and network capabilities to deploy and build your applications. Google Cloud offers a variety of services including virtual machine, database, storage, and of course, machine learning tools. These services are highly scalable and flexible, allowing you to tailor your infrastructure to your specific needs. Google Cloud also provides a user-friendly interface and robust management tools to help you manage your applications and resources. Now move closer. Did you know there's another Google platform you can use to boost your productivity? And that is Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite. This is a collection of productivity tools designed for work and collaborations. With Google Workspace, you can use familiar tools such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Doc, and of course, Google Meet. These are familiar tools that you can use to collaborate and communicate more effectively and increase your productivity level. Google Workspace also provides powerful administrative controls, security features, and data protections to ensure that your business data is always secured and well protected. You can manage your organization's devices and data from a centralized console. This makes it easy to stay in control of your IT environment. Now, the service I'm more excited about to tell you about is Google Admob. Google Admob is a mobile advertising platform that allows you to monetize your app just by placing an advert on it. Admob provides a variety of advertising formats. This includes banner ads, interstitial ads, and of course video reward ads. And the most beautiful part of it is that you can choose which advert format you want to use on your app, and you can also customize it to blend in with the color and pattern of your app. Admob also provides powerful analytics tools that allows you to track the performance of your app and also the revenue. This simply means you can see how many impressions and clicks your apps are generating and how much money you are making per each visit you are having on your app. Now let me bust your brain. Admob integrates seamlessly with Google Analytics and other Google products. This makes it easy to get a comprehensive view of your app performance. So whether you are looking forward to any passive income through advertising, Google has every resources and expertise you need to achieve your goals. By taking advantage of Google's vast network and cutting-edge technologies, you can tap into new markets, expand your audience, and of course grow your business beyond your own expectations. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the many ways you can start making money on Google today. Meanwhile, if everything I've said in this video seems too complex for you, I will advise you to pick one and learn how it is done. And tell me your millionaire status by the end of the year. If you are still looking for more easy ways to make money online without breaking a sweat, then the video that just popped up next to me will do justice to that. Ensure you check it out.